Hey there, health lovers! Ever strolled past those green bananas at the shop and thought, nope, not ready yet? Well, think again. Green bananas might just be your new secret weapon for a healthier you. Reason number 1. They're gut health heroes. Green bananas are loaded with resistant starch, a type of fiber your body can't digest, but your gut bacteria adore. It acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria and helping your digestive system run smoothly. A happy gut means a happier you. Reason 2. Green bananas can help manage your blood sugar. That same resistant starch slows down how fast your body digests the banana, which means no sharp sugar spikes after you snack. It's a steady release of energy, perfect for keeping you fueled and balanced. Quick break. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to click subscribe for more easy health hacks. And the third reason, they support weight management. Because green bananas are digested slowly, they help you feel fuller for longer. That means less temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks later. If you're trying to control cravings or shed a few pounds, green bananas might be the simple swap you need. So next time you see those green bananas, don't walk by. Add them to your smoothies, slice them onto your breakfast, or just try them as a snack. Small changes can make a big impact. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. Let's get healthier together. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes greener is better.